Today I am explaining exercise 3.3. The first question is solve the following pair of linear equation by substitution method. The first question is x plus y equal to 14 and x minus y equal to 4. These are the pair of linear equation. Solve this equation by substitution method. The substitution method I explained in my previous video. If you have any doubt, please watch that. So the first step, we- first we are writing that x plus y equal to 14 and named as equation number 1 and x minus y equal to 4 and named as 2. The step, pick one equation and write one variable in terms of other. Here I am taking that equation number 2, x minus y equal to 4, and I can write x equal 4 plus y. That means one variable in terms of other. See here x is the variable, x we are writing in terms of y. Now substitute the value of x in equation 1. See, this is the equation 1. X plus y equal to 14 is the equation 1. Substitute the value x in equation 1. That means instead of this x, we are giving the value 4 plus y. See here 4 plus y. Instead of this x, we gave that 4 plus y plus y. This y equal 14. Now we will get this 4 plus y is 2y equal 14. 2y equal 14 minus 4 is 10. Now y equal to 10 by 2 is 5. Now we got the value of y. Now the next step is substitute the value of y. We got that value of y. Substitute this value y in the equation. See here 3. What is the equation 3? X equal 4 plus y. We are giving that x value. So here we are giving that value y equal to 5. Now x equal to 4 plus y. Instead of this y, giving the value 5. So x equal 4 plus 5 is 9. Now we got the value x equal to 9 and y equal to 5. The next step is verification. Substitute the values of x and y in both the equation and verify that equations are satisfied. So take the first equation, x plus y equal to 14. In that we are giving that x equal to 9 and y equal to 5. See here x plus y equal to 14 is the first equation, that x equal to 9 and y equal to 5. 9 plus 5 is 14. So this equation is verified. The next equation x minus y equal 4. X is 9 minus y is 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. So these equations are satisfied. Now the x equal to 9 and y equal to 5. This is the way to solve the substitution method. For all the problems, we are following the same steps. The next problem is s minus t equal 3, s by 3 plus t by 2 equal 6. So write the equation, and first equation named as 1 and the second equation s by 3 plus t by 2 equal 6 as 2. Now the step 1, pick one equation and write one variable in terms of other. Here I am taking that first equation s minus t equal to 3. Now we can write as s equal 3 plus t named as 3. Now substitute the value of s in equation number 2. See here, this is the equation 2. S by 3 plus t by 2 equal 6. Substitute the value of s in this equation. So see here, instead of this s, we are giving the value 3 plus t. So 3 plus t by 3 plus this t by 2 equal 6. This we got that 6 plus 2t plus 3t equal 36. So 2t plus 3t is 5t. 5t equal 36 minus 6 is 30. So t equal 30 by 5 is 6. Now we got the value of t equal 6. Substitute the value of t in equation number 3. See, this is the equation 3. S equal 3 plus t. Now we got S equal 9. See here, instead of this t, we are giving that 6. So 3 plus 6 is 9. Now we got the values t and s. T equal to 6 and s equal to 9. The next step is verification. Substitute the values of s and t in both equation and verify that equations are satisfied. The first equation, s minus t equal 3. S is 9 and t equal 6. So 9 minus 6 is 3. So the first equation is satisfied. The next equation, s by 3 plus t by 2 equals 6. So s is equal to 9 by 3 plus t equals 6. 6 by 2 equal 6. This is the equation. So 9 by 3 is 3. 6 by 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. Both equations are satisfied. Hence, S equal to 9 and T equal to 6. So the next question is 3x minus y equal to 3 and 9x minus 3y equal 9. Now 3x minus y equal to 3 as 1 and 9x minus 3y equal 9 as 2. Pick one equation and write one variable in terms of other. Here I am taking that first equation 3x minus y equal 3. This we can write in terms of x. So y equal 3x minus 3 named as 3. Substitute the value of y in equation 2. See, this is the equation 2. 9x minus 3y equal 9. In this place, in y place, we are giving the value 3x minus 3. See here, 9x minus 3 into y. Y value is 3x minus 3. 3x minus 3 equal 9. Now, 9x minus 3 into 3 is 9x plus 3 into 3 is plus 9 equal this 9. 9x will got cancelled. Now we will get 9 equal 9. This is true for all values of x. But we are not able to find the variable value because the variable term got cancelled. Because these equations are same. See here, these equations are same. In this second equation, we can take the 3 as the common factor. Now we got that 3x minus y equal to 3. That means these equations are same. That's why we got that 9 equal 9. That it will got that variable term is cancelled. So we can say that there are infinite solution. The next problem is 0.2x plus 0.3y equal 1.3 and 0.4x plus 0.5y equal 2.3. Write the equation and first equation as 1 and named second equation as 2. Now Pick one equation and write one variable in terms of other. Here I am taking that first equation 0.2x plus 0.3y equal 1.3. This I can write 0.2x equal 1.3 minus 0.3y. Now x equal 1.3 minus 0.3y by 0.2. This is the value for x. Now substitute the value x in equation 2. See here, this is the equation 2. 0.4x plus 0.5y equal 2.3. Instead of this x, we are giving the value 1.3 minus 0.3y by 0.2. See here, 0.4, this 0.4 into x. So the x value is this. This we are giving here. Plus 0.5y equal 2.3. Now we can write as 0.4 into 1.3 minus 0.3y plus 0.1y equals 0.46. See here, multiplying these two, we will get that 0.52 minus 0.12y plus 0.1y equals 0.46. From this, 0.02y equal minus 0.06. Now we got the y equal 3. Substitute the value y in equation 1. See here, this is the equation 1. 0.2x plus 0.3y equal 1.3. Substitute the value y in equation 1. See here, instead of this y variable, we are giving the value 3. Now 0.2x equals 0.4, x equal 2. Now we got that x equal to 2 and y equal to 3. Now next step is verification. Substitute the values of x and y in both equation and verify that equations are satisfied. So the first equation is 0.2 into x equal to 2 plus 0.3 into y equal to 3 equal 1.3. See here, this way we will get that 1.3 equal 1.3. So first equation is satisfied. The next equation is 0.4 into x. So the x value is 2 plus 0.5 into y. Y value is 3 equal 2.3. So 2.3 equal 2.3. LHS equal to RHS. So the equations are satisfied. Hence the value of x equal to 2 and y equal to 3.